megalayapost.news.
Hadin kaptu kanib na baki pulit kariboy kila sangi ya kajing talasi na pangi ki kali penkenya nya surong nadu ki arshaka kamtam ki badi kian hakapornya kali ki pulit kariboy henen kamit kilami biang sya surong banhikai biangi pajba tang da kajing seneng shua haswa baki pulit kinshim da kisenjam batenge bat bandan kuna ya kane kajing talasi kali lale henen kamit habernihan balalam khamat do ba bankir lang marwain kum DSP Rubul Ali osi kabernihat police station Michael Marang osi kanong po police station lembat kiwi ki pulit officer hakani jing talasi lasnok tilang ru dakit khot KRBOF bernihat circle hapo ka jing ilam samlar ki lapang presiden bat usamla Frankie Rani vice president hakani jing talasi lalap babun ki pajba kila sedang mande mon biang hadin ka jing sange jong ki pulit bantalasi ha ka balalap babun ki dei ki babat bilor kian rengkat ustiring ki bompong helmet bat kiwi ki jing penkanyan nakalyang Rubul Ali osi bernihan ke police station ulong bagani ka detang ka jing sedang ka jing seneng bat ka jing hikai ki pajba bakim dei buram miakaan tang hakapor badan ki pulen Henry ban pikir la gajung im bat yaki way de kumju.
See these young guys, they don't feel good wearing helmet. They are giving excuses daily. We are conducting daily checking in Barnia. Daily I am seeing them, these guys, they don't wear helmet. This is not the first time. This is the third or fourth time I am seeing them same thing. They don't feel shy. We feel shy. That we are requesting you to wear helmet and you don't feel shy to wear helmet. See, this is the young guys, future of our generation. So this is my request for the last time. Please wear helmet, save yourself, protect yourself. Your family will be waiting at home, nah? So you wear helmet so that at least the accident also is there, your head will be safe, you will be safe. My request to you, as a younger brothers, please wear helmet. Okay? Thank you so much. Please wear helmet. Oh, रुक जा बस ये पे जाओ जीरो
ये पिया है, ये पक्का पिया है। कहाँ पे पिया तुम? हाँ, बोरनी में पिया ना? कब पिया? यार पिया साला। कल बिस्मिल्लाह भी था। जाना। वो दूसरा वाला भी खुद। ठीक है। नीचे वाला
Good evening, everybody. Today we have conducted an awareness program on drunk and driving. As there are lots of accident cases, like before also I told you when I was in traffic, that to prevent these accidents, we have to do checkings. So as I have joined here as Barnihat OC, so the first initiative I took on traffic awareness. So today also we are conducting a awareness program on drunk and driving. So we have checked so many vehicles and we have got so many drunkards, especially these truck drivers. Because of this drunk and driving, there are lots of accidents. In order to prevent the accidents, we have to conduct this drunk and driving. And I am very thankful to our Honorable SP who have given me this opportunity for checking. And I am very thankful for the RBYF President and all the guys of RBYF who have supported and participated in this awareness program. So in future also, we will conduct the same procedure, and for these lawbreakers, we will be very strict. Today we have checked this drunken driving, but we have collected very less fine because this is awareness, not for fine. Today, first awareness, then second, we will be giving them the penalties.
Kong dong snow banai kublai ki para member jungi balap pelai nang kapor tak sengi banginya don mentalang akan ka checking drunk and drive but ya bancek ya kini ki kena ki banyak kam helmet te dan kini si kembala patai presiden jungi ka don sisa kata ka accident mah arngut ki kena samla ki ladu ya la musim te kane kalong ka ba susi nanta ki kena ki samla jungi te ngi nak leng keseng kwa banai musim ya kini ki samla ba ki de bendeng helmet ba kini kali but ya kini ki banyak kali baik kamtam kita kamtam singi lap isya ya kini ki badi mah pen pendukam ya ki jingbendi buat akan ka singi but ngi isya ya kita kalau nggak jingma nam tak ni ki nonglet nongwan ki ba kamtam hakpor mit si beje ar beje mono ban ya kita mah salinkin kilit tendra kiyat ben mundan bi ya kata ka jing accident tekane ke kalau nggak jingma nam tak ki ba te ngi kentu isya ya ki kamtam ki ba kimde ben pendukam ya ka jingdi mah babinya haba pila adabnya kali di kapa piman melele te nakalian kaseng jungi Indonesia ya kata kajikit kli nam tak pajba kamtam ya kani ka bernihat kadang ka busy area ni ba kalong ka highway ka balong busy sya du kata kali kawan tengah soban ai khuble kamtam ya yosi jungi i sarubul bala penyo ikini ki humrat ma aman lagi cek ki turning point ba ki lengba jungki ka don sisa ka jing sengan nam tak kali kawan ki pajba te kani kalong ka basudonat nam ta jungi gaseng te ngi bagane ka atpos ngi kalalong police station te ngi kwa ya kane police station makan pendekam sisa ya kata kateng ka police station mah bagindon ka checkpoint manla ka por om tang ne ngi bangi don mengimta ne kadang don sisu manla ka por bag cek mah lese hadis tayo atayo kasong ka jing la ka jungki te lese ka ege ulang bastonan am ta jungi kum gaseng te ngi kuntu ba kinang tray sisu kamba
te adin ka kubor bangilayo na po ka police department ya ka bernihat mau mencang tip berkuit bagade ka outpost anre mentakal akla ka police station jungiyo ka city ka badan hangne mobile ba lamba jung osi jung ka bernihat police station ba bakandon ka jing kamera kan drive hopo ka bernihat posnon jung te ni kentu ke police ba ni kemen ba lada kia checking you kan ka kan drive nomor bun sin hangne kamtam ne po senang bernihat jungi ki ba bun ki ba accident mention macam teori kita sulap ba spot dead don apo kabai lengba kabai jong KTM tingi kundu saya ka police department pat ngi sokumen na kalang kaseng ruba ki khot bang nya don bentalang kum mangi hoaj nyamla bancem ya kata ka fan nyamla bancem dekai kum ngi giseng balang ngi de kenong chakri ki pajba ngini le ban pun su ki pajba ba haka por punya kali naidi nai bam ke bon sin ka pen made ki pajba ka pen i ba kane kamde namar ka an kan sabet ka tengah kublai sibun ya ka police department ka bala simkian apo ka banihat kumjur SP sir ibala ai kum kane kalat ba kandon ka checking but ngakarmen scam ban nang sekmat kamde nang menda kasmi bakandon malla kasmi ni kum kaseng nadu ngila pentip sa kibor rangba jungi napo salbudi bakila ai yang hukum ba ya mudi banyak penstu iki pajba tengah kublai sibun ro ya police department nga bernihat ba nadu balawan ini sari batmai nganong be hapang batmai nomor ba ilawan ra iki light geleng nadu street light bagi ong geleng ilawan ra isu tenat bat nakaliang kaseng ikentu tang kata ba nginya trailang nginya ai ka badon ngiru kat balangin penstu iki pajba ba nang sekmat pinam de su bendi banbam hakabar ba pinya agali kane ka penwan jingma nam taki pajba
Megalayapost.news